In Webtools, you can quickly transfer or share permissions with another person or group. This can be done under More, Transfer. The transfer tool should be used when someone leaves the university, or when you're changing jobs, or when you just want to share or transfer permissions to others. There's simply 3 steps to follow. The first one is select the user or the group to transfer to. Second is to select the web tools below that are to be transferred or shared. If I scroll down, I can see that all my web tools are listed here. And the third thing is to click the transfer or share button. Right now I can see the transfer or share buttons are not active. That's because a user or a group has not been found yet. So I'll go ahead and find a coworker. Okay, now someone is found, and I can see that transfer to user button is active. Okay, step 2, select the web tools below to be transferred. For most people, if you're leaving your department or your unit, or the university, you'll simply be able to click all. That will select everything below, and you can transfer to the person that you've selected. Okay, if you're working for multiple departments and you're changing to one of those, maybe you don't want to transfer to everything. You just want to transfer a certain department to someone else. You can do that also. In this case, I am going to select all and transfer these to a coworker as if I'm leaving the university. This will transfer all admin permissions, all admin roles. Okay, there's a couple other roles that we'll look at after we transfer this. Okay, so everything is selected. I'll click the transfer button. And now everything below was transferred, except for the roles that were not admins. I will receive an email saying that all of these web tools were transferred, and so will the person that I've transferred them to. So both parties will be notified. To remove these down below, to clean up before you leave the university or change jobs if you like, you can always select them and click the remove button at the top. This will remove all editor, email, manager, or viewer access, which is what we have down below. Click that, and now we can see that I have successfully transferred all web tools to someone else and removed all access. And I am ready to leave the university if I wanted to. That is how to use the transfer tool. And thank you.